Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video you will be seeing how I did my makeup for this Diwali. So firstly, I tied my hair up and put all my bangs aside so that they don't interrupt when I'm doing my makeup. And then I took my lenses. I chose brown color lens this time because they make your eyes stand out. And as you can see, I was literally suffering here because of the lens. Tears kept coming out of my eyes and I could not control, and my right eye, especially my right eye, was burning a lot. I kept crying for 10 minutes and I gave it some time to settle so that it stops burning, and yeah, they did stop burning. So I was just waiting there for them to stop, and yeah, the lens were set. And for the makeup, I'm going in with a serum that's going to brighten my skin, that is vitamin C serum. And then I'm going ahead with moisturizer and then with sunscreen. Make sure you massage them good so that your skin will be really prepped and the makeup will sit in. So now that the skin is prepped, let's get into the makeup. I'm using a gripping primer so that my makeup stays intact, and then I'm going with the color corrector. I'm applying them wherever I have the dark spots and my under eyes. And next I'm gonna be using concealer. I am more of a concealer kind of person than I'm a foundation, so I just apply concealer all over my face and especially where I have dark spots, and I used my hands to blend in for the first. And make sure you don't forget to apply the same products you apply on your face on your neck. And now I'm using my beauty blender to blend out the concealer so that I don't have a uneven or patchy layer on my face. And then now I'm going in with the baking process. That's basically when you take a loose powder and apply them wherever you get oily. And now for the eye makeup, I'll be using this brown skin colored eyeshadow, and on top I'll be using this pink shade I've shown you. After some time I just dusted off that extra powder on my face. And then I'm using this highlighter cum blush palette, and I'm applying the glitter shade on my inner corner of the eye so that it goes well with my outfit. And then comes the blush. I'm using a cream blush and then blending it out, and then I take my powder blush and apply it on top of that. And then take a kajal, and then you can just draw a thin line on your top of your eye like you're doing your eyeliner, and just smudge it off to get that smoky eye. Gently brush it off, don't apply all the forces on it. Gently brush it off and you will get the effect you're looking for. And then I'm going ahead with my eyeliner. I'm doing a slight wing, and then I'm going with my favorite mascara. This mascara gives you what fake lashes can't give you. And then I'm going with the lip liner. I am applying a dark shade that is dark brown on the outer corner of my lips, and going ahead with the pink shade in the inner parts of the lips. And now everything is done. And then I went ahead with the bindi and some setting spray so that my makeup doesn't just melt when I'm sweating. I used highlighter down my brows, nose, and also my cheekbones to get that glowy finish. And then I untied my hair, and you know what I'm doing. I didn't go much heavy on the jewelry. I just put these studs, and the outfit itself is very heavy, so it just speaks for itself. And yeah, that's a wrap with the makeup video. I hope you liked it. So please like and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos. And for the whole look, you can check out my next video. Until then, bye.